Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. This episode is about chess and why I'm extremely happy that when I grew up, I was made to learn how to play chess because it helps you think many, many moves ahead. And these skills are tremendous, especially in the situation that I was just in, where I'm driving in two lanes of traffic, and all of a sudden I see that traffic is starting to build up, but I don't see it directly in front of me. I see it about 15 cars up when they're hitting their taillights. So I immediately go into the other lane, and that lane continues to go, and the lane on my left stalls. And if I wasn't looking this far ahead, I wouldn't know that. Chess is something great to put your child into, especially if there's a program already in the preschool that comes in as an ancillary program. Put your child in chess so they can understand and they can learn how to think steps ahead, how to see different solutions up ahead, how to see different outcomes for different possibilities. That way, they're not just always looking at the stage of whatever's in front of them. They see things out in different directions. All right, that's all I got to say. I'm going to say it 10 different directions. You got it. Have your kids learn how to play chess. And if you don't know how to play chess, then have them learn by you learning. Have a great day. Appreciate you.